So this is how we represent the direction of the magnetic field, and this is the magnetic field pattern due to a straight current carrying conductor, right? Here, this the concentric circles are perpendicular to this board. It should be clearly understand that the circular pattern is perpendicular to this plane. The cardboard, the magnetic field is like this. Conductor is in this way. So that means the circular lines are moving in this way. It is horizontal. The field lines are horizontal. The wire is perpendicular. It should be imagined in 3 dimension, not in 2 dimension. Right? If we imagine so, here, let me take one conductor which is carrying current in the upward direction. Here you see the circular pattern. These circles are perpendicular. It is perpendicular in this way. The conductor is carrying current in the upward direction. The field lines are horizontal. Field lines are horizontal. So at any point on this circle, the direction of magnetic field is along the tangent to it. Here at this point, it is along the tangent. At this point, it is along the tangent. At this point, it is in this direction, along the tangent. At this point, it is in this direction. So it continuously changes the direction. But if we take on this side of conductor, on this side, that means on the right side of conductor, on the left side of conductor, if we want to find the magnetic field on the right side of conductor, you see the field lines are entering into the board. The field lines are entering into the board. On the left side of conductor, on the left side of this side, the field lines are coming out of the board, out of this plane. It is coming in this way, right? So if a magnetic field is entering, that is downward, that is inward, that magnetic field is cross. So at this side, cross magnetic field is developed. And at this side, obviously, dot magnetic field is developed. So that means without showing the circular pattern, we can say what is the magnetic field developed around this conductor. That can be clearly mentioned. This is a straight current carrying conductor. What is the direction of magnetic field on this side? That is cross magnetic field. Here the dot magnetic field. This is determined by using the right hand thumb rule. Take this conductor in your right hand. At this point, magnetic field is entering into the board. That is inward magnetic field. Here the magnetic field is coming out. So here it is cross magnetic field and dot magnetic field. And for this conductor, if the current is reversed, here it will be reverse. That means this side dot magnetic field and this side cross magnetic field. This is how we determine the direction of magnetic field around a straight current carrying conductor. For this, I can give an example, or we can say simple question. Suppose a straight current carrying conductor, a horizontal straight current carrying conductor is placed in front of us. It is carrying current from south to north, because the side which I am facing, that is east, back side, that is north. On my left it is north, on my right it is south. So this is the horizontal conductor carrying current from south to north. Now what is the direction of magnetic field below this conductor at any particular point? That means at this point, what will be the direction? So direction can be determined by using right hand thumb rule in this way. If I take this is the direction of current. Here this side, it is south and it is north. Current is from south to north. And at a point below this conductor, the direction of magnetic field is in this side. So this is towards west. So the magnetic field is towards west. And what will be the direction of magnetic field? Just above the conductor at any point. Above the conductor at any point, the direction of magnetic field is same. Current is flowing in this direction. If we use right hand thumb rule, the field lines are like this. So at this point, it is moving in this side. That means towards east. This is how we determine the magnetic field around a straight current carrying conductor. Right? Then we'll discuss more about this magnetic field in the next session.